Hello guys, my name is Sagar Rajesh Kasatkar. Today I'm going to give a demo on how actually APIs work or how actually APIs call to our PayPal provider system or PayPal service. So our service is going to call PayPal service. How they are actually call or interact within we are going to see in this demo. First, for this, I'm going to open Chrome. So there is a put PayPal order, orders. Today, we will understand first we will understand how authentication is working. Authentication means it checks the user has the right credentials or user has to access. So when user put email and password, then uh, then our authentication ought to check your username and password is correct. If the password and matches to the already data, then it has access. And authorization means uh, which data is accessible by this user. This means authorization. Authentication and authorization are two different things. Authentication means um, it checks only the authority or it checks only the user has right credentials or not, and authorization means the user has how or user has which data access or how which data is accessible by user. This is authorization. So in our project, we are going to use Auth 2.0 uh, REST API for our authentication or authorization purpose. This is given by PayPal. Now we are going to uh, first demonstrate how authentication Auth 2.0 is work. So just going to open Paint. Paint. Okay, this is our PayPal payment server, and this is our server auth 2. This is our server auth 2. Okay, now this is PayPal server. This is PayPal server. This is PayPal server, and this is our auth auth 2.0 2.0 API, which are our it is our server where we are using auth 2.0. By using this, we are going to um, interact with our PayPal server. I mean, with PayPal server. First one is auth 2.0. There are two types of auth 2.0. There first one is uh, direct interact with a PayPal server and auth 2.0 within a server to server communication, and second one is user to server communication. And now in this application, we are using server to server communication. Server to server communication working within our server to PayPal server. This communication is happened through auth 2.0. First, for the auth 2.0, we need a client ID and client credentials. These client ID and client credentials are are sent to PayPal server are sent to PayPal server. Now, which is going to client and client credentials. Client credentials. Client credentials and that is client ID and client secret. Client ID and client secret. The client ID and client secret is sent through our API to paper server. For our testing purpose, the client ID and client secret is uh, given by PayPal develop in a developer dashboard. There is a sandbox account. In sandbox account, there is a client and a client secret is available. By using this, we are going to test our the system. Now, when we are going to pass client ID and client secret to our PayPal server, then PayPal server checks the client ID and client secret, it is valid or not. First, PayPal server authenticates it and returns and gives us an authentication token. Gives us an authentication token. By using this authentication token, we can interact with our server, that is our PayPal provider server, to PayPal PayPal server. This interaction is happened through access token. The access token has some expiry time. Example, some token has 9 hours, 8 hours. They are dynamic values. So there is a dynamic time is uh, for expiration purpose. So PayPal server gives us response. PayPal server gives us response. First one is client ID and client secret is sent to PayPal server. Client ID and client secret is given to PayPal server. Is given to PayPal server. Now PayPal server gives us an access token as a response. Yeah, the response is there. PayPal server checks and authenticate client and client credentials, and PayPal server gives us a access token as a response. Access token as a response. This access token is used to interact with our server to server communication. Like create order API, we are going to call PayPal server, or also we are going to use capture order, show order. Like these APIs are we are using in our system, and this is happened through our access token. So this is our simple authentication structure which I is going to use is in our PayPal system. Now we are going to actually see how the server to server communication works. For this purpose, I'm just going to uh, copy this curl. The curl is an the curl is a default widget. Um, I just copy it from here and open Postman. It is loading. Okay, I'm just creating an one new collection, blank collection. I'm giving this. demo demo REST API demo REST API calling it as demo REST API. Okay, in this I'm just importing. Here it is an import. Just click on that import, copy this curl and paste it in here. Okay, paste it in here. Collection name and just put it in demo REST API. So import into collection. Okay, it is imported. Now in authorization, we need to add username name as a client ID and password as a client secret. So I'm just going in PayPal developer account, PayPal developer, PayPal developer. Okay, login. I'm using credentials, login. Okay, we get the dashboard. So go in apps and credentials. Here we get a client and client secret for a testing purpose. Copy it from here, client ID, copy it, and paste it here, paste it here, client ID, copy this uh, client secret from here and paste it in here. Okay, done. Our client ID and client secret is successfully pasted. Now this is a content type is the application XSS form URL encoded. So it is a this content type and in a body there is our grant type is client credentials. To it is a important note to to uh, to server communication purpose, the grant type is always client credential. Uh, Also, when we are going to use user to server communication, then the grant type is auth. So this is a small difference about in server to server communication or user to server communication. Now I'm just going to hit enter. We will get a response as an access token. First, our uh, this thing the email client. Okay, I'm just going to see how where we are made mistake. Okay, email client. It is saying email client. Okay, we just pasted a client secret. Uh, Same. Okay, control A, control V. Now it is a client password is same. Now hit enter again. Okay. Yeah. We get 200. Okay. Status. Our system is properly working and we get an access token and this there is a expiration. This it is saying 32,400 seconds it will takes to expire this token and the token type is our varied token type we get. So now we get this. Now we are going to use create order. Now how create orders are working. Okay, here is a create order. Now we are going to create an order The create order happens when user clicks on that button. Then the backend on that backend, the create order method is invoked, and in that create order method is invoked, the create order API of a URL is passed, and by this URL we can call create order method of a PayPal server. This is a URL. By using this we can call a PayPal server. Okay, this is a URL. Okay, this is a URL. HTTP PayPal checkout. This is the URL. By using this, we are going to call by from our system to PayPal server. By then, as a response, the PayPal server will give response as URL and order ID. So we can copy this curl, paste it in our Postman, import, just import it, Control V, OK, just going to collection name is demo REST API, import new collection. I'm just giving it name as a OL or 2.0. Okay, I'm just giving it name as a create order. In a create order, the header is the content type is application JSON, request ID is unique, and authorization in authorization. Our barrier is this token. Now in first we have to do auth type. Choose as a barrier token. In this token, we need to copy this token, con Control C, copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, it is done. Now in header, now in body. Okay, now this is our structure. Intent is a capture. Intent means later which REST API will work after the creator the capture is invoked. So it is default saying the capture is invoked after this. So it is our value where to debit from our sandbox account. Currency code is USD. PayPal brand name means our company name or some brand name. It is a this brand name is also used to track our transactions. When we are transaction are done, then in our banks or system, the brand name is going by using brand name we can say that our money is debited by this person and by this authorization group or company. Landing page, our landing page is a login page. First it is showing the login page. There is a email and password going to enter. This landing page is shown by this login. Return URL when we are done our successful payment, or then it is redirected to this URL. And cancel URL when our we are going to cancel the payment, then our system is going to invoke this URL. Okay, this is just our uh, JSON body. I'm just hitting enter. Before this, I'm just removing the shipping preference. As of now, it is not required because it is an optional field. So I'm just required removing it from here. Uh, by using this, it gives me some error. That's why I'm just removing it. Now we are not giving. Uh, Yeah, it is a unprocessable entity. So I'm just removing it from here. Yeah, if you have to, uh, if you have to uh, write shipping preference, then change this value as a file. That is here. There is an option that is a shipping preference. You just, if you want to add a shipping preference, so just okay shipping preference. Just finding your shipping preference where it is located and just looking. It is a reference ID, description, shop descriptor, okay, amount, currency code, breakdown, shipping discount. It is a shipping discount. And I'm just looking at JSON. Okay, in payment source, there is shipping preference. Okay, just I'm just doing payment source. Yeah, this is the payment source. In the payment source, here we are going to see uh, PayPal, payment source, PayPal. Okay, is also not here. Just finding again where the shipping preference is located. Okay, uh, payment source. So there is PayPal. In a PayPal, there is experience context. So in a PayPal. In payment source, there is PayPal. In PayPal, there is different context. In payment source, there is PayPal. In PayPal, there is experience context. In the ship, there is a yeah, we got it. Shipping preference. Okay, it is a we find it a shipping preference. Now, by using this, we can use there are three fields that is get from file, no shipping, and say provided address. So, and just you have to uh, change the set provided address, that is our default is set provided address, change it to get from file, to copy this sheet from here, just and paste get from file. Okay, by using this you can not get this error. So I'm just pasting it here. If you also comment it down, also it will work. uh, it is an optional field, so you can put or not. It is your choice. Just I'm here sending data from here. Okay, we got it. We got our ID, status as a pair action required, payment source, PayPal, HREF, rail method, get, etc. Now we got it. Each object. Now we are going to copy this URL from here and paste it in our browser. Copy this and paste it in here. This is an URL. We get response as a from PayPal server. It is it will show login page. Yeah, it is a change login page and just uh, client ID and client credential. So you also get it from testing tools, sandbox account. In the sandbox account, use personal in personal. There is email and password. You can use that email and password. Change, copy it, paste it here. Change password. There is a this is the password. Copy this, paste it here. Okay. By using this, you can log in. I'm just logging here. Okay. It successfully logged. Now we are it is a change when a change is button is clicked the on shipping address method is called by uh, front end server to our back end server. So by using this we can purchase it is here cancel and return when we are going to cancel then cancel URL will invoke. Now we are going to just click complete purchase. Okay, now it is redirected to our example.com. So it is showing this example domain. This is the domain is used for electric example. Now our status is changed to the how we are going to check what is our status now. Then just go to our orders. Then there is a show order details. So just copy it from here. The curl is copied. Just paste, importing a new. Okay, import new. Paste it here. Okay, I'm just demo rectifier. Okay, import collection. Okay, so order detail. So order. Okay, I'm just going to show order. Show order. Enter. Okay. On in authorization. Use barrier token as a barrier token. Copy this barrier token from here. Copy it from here. Paste it in here. Control C. Okay. Our barrier token and barrier token is successfully pasted. Now go in header. Authorization barrier token body. Okay. Now by using a create order, we get an create order ID. By using this, we can check our status. What is our status now for this order ID? Now I'm just going to in a show order. I'm pasting it here the order ID and I'm just hitting enter. Now by using the show order, PayPal server will give us a response. Yeah, it's a approved. Now our status is approved and intent is captured by later the capture or capture order API is invoking. So there is an intent capture is remain. So it is the same capture. Our now the user is approved the payment. So it is the same. The status is as approved. This information is sent by this show order. Now we are going to capture the payment by using capture. the rate the amount is will be debited from user account or in sandbox account. So by using capture, here it is the capture payment for order. Click on that capture payment order. Copy this curl. Okay, copy this curl and paste it in Postman. Import. Okay, paste it in here. Okay, import collection. Uh, barrier token. Copy our authentication token. Copy it from here. Paste it in here. Now I'm just changing it as capture order. Capture order. Capture order. Enter. Okay. It is content type with application gesture. Raw. Hit enter. And now our ID is this. Copy this ID from here. In capture order, just replace this ID as our ID. Paste it here and hit enter. By using by sending button, our the PayPal server get our ID and intent as a capture. So the PayPal server process the payment and debit the money from Sandbox account. So PayPal who will get a response from PayPal. Yeah, the status is completed successfully. The ID it is our ID and the status is completed. Our money is debited successfully, so we can check our money from the Sandbox account. Refresh it. First it is a USD 4,700 money. Now just I'm refreshing. Yeah, it is debited 4,600 now. 100 USD dollars are debited from the account. It is a process we are going to see. Now I'm just copying this ID or our create order ID. Copy this and I'm just checking now the show order. Okay, enter for this ID. For this ID, status is completed. Okay, means intent is captured and the capture intent is completed. Now our process has been done successful. This is simple working of a server to server communication, that is our server to PayPal server. Uh, I'm just show, show you how return here and cancel here at PayPal. So I'm just PayPal request ID. I'm just changing request ID and giving URL as www.google.com. Okay, and it is a cancel URL as okay. I'm just cancel URL. I'm just giving PayPal order. PayPal dashboard. Okay, I'm just giving the same.
Hello.
I'm just giving for the testing purpose. I'm just giving this URL. Sorry. When a user cancel the payment, then this URL will work. Okay, done. I'm just hitting enter. Now we will get another and different ID order ID. Okay, done. We get a different ID and status as a payer action required. You can check it status of this payer action. Go in show order, uh, paste it here, show order. Okay, for this ID, the status is payer action required. This is a payer action required means uh, user is not yet approved the payment. After approving the payment by user, the payer action required is changed to be changed to approved. So it is just working. Now I'm just going to uh, show you how the return event cancel URL will work on create order. Just I pasted the www.google.com as a return URL or success URL. When our payment is successful by your user, then this URL will invoke. And when we click on user will click cancel URL, then this URL will invoke. So just I'm just copying this URL, Control C, just copying it here, Control V, enter. It doesn't show the login page because we already login, so it uh, it, it doesn't show. So then we are going to it is $100, so I'm just going to complete purchase. Yeah, we are redirected to Google successfully. This is a return URL. You can check the you can check the status of this order ID by copying this to order which is changed to payer action required to approve status. Yeah, it is approved. It is captured. Now copy this to see capture order and change it here from here and send. Now the status is completed for this ID. To see to order. Okay, control V send. The capture the status is completed. Approved. Before the status is approved, now the status is completed. Now we are going to see how our cancel URL will work. So I'm just changing the request ID. For each order ID, the request ID is different. So I'm just changing request ID, hit enter. Now we get this order ID and this URL pair action. Only pair action URL is working to approve the payment by user and the status pair action required. So copy this URL from here, paste it in here. Okay, and I'm just cancelling it from here. It will redirect to PayPal checkout page. Yeah, it is successfully redirected. That's all about about today's demo. We today we see how our server is going to call API to our payment server or PayPal server, our server to PayPal server. This communication is happened through the authentication. First we get authentication as access token. Then by using this access token, we put this access token as a barrier in a create order. By using create order, we call the API of a payment PayPal server. By using the create order, we get order ID, status as payer action required, and we get a link as a URL for approving the payment by user. So by using approving the payment, uh, the status is changed to approved. Now now copy the URL, the ID, and paste it in capture. By using capture the order ID, the payment will debited from our account, senders account. That's all about it. Topic. Uh, just I'm just thank you.